on this day of Damascus, he met the Lord Jesus Christ, and he was see the light. There was a shine, the light shine that struck Paul to the ground, and he heard the voice, and that Paul said, "Who art thou, Lord? Who art thou, Lord? Saul, Saul, why persecutest thou me?" Because of that voice, something new to him. The very first time that Paul heard that voice calling him, "Saul, Saul, why persecutest thou me?" And Paul, he was amazed. He was terrified by that power and voice. And Paul said, "Who art thou, Lord?" And the boy said, "I am Jesus, whom thou persecutest. It is hard for thee to kick against the prick." Then later on, Paul said, "Lord, what thou have me to do?"